All right, welcome guys. So now we are going into the main action gradually. This is protocols to explore chapter 5. Please ensure to watch the previous videos on other chapters and explain. Now, these are the protocols that we'll be making money from. They are more than this, and in the coming days I'll be releasing more. So for you to make sure for you to ensure that you get access to it by the time I release more. Please, this is my phone number. You can just reach out to me so you can get added to a group, get access to it. It is definitely for free, so you are not paying any money. Now, this is currently now I have 18 protocols here, and I'll be releasing 30 before the end of this. Before the end of this year. So remaining 12 to go. So that is another reason why you should ensure that you follow me. Now, the first project is buy swap. Okay, now before I go there, all the projects you can see this is coin market cap. Yeah, and this is the DeFi category. They have categorized all DeFi projects and DeFi tokens. So it is in these tokens that we'll be saying. So for instance, now this Avalanche will be using this Avalanche. We'll be using Avalanche. Uh, we'll be using Aave in the future. We'll be using Pancakeswap. We'll be using Phantom. We'll be using Lido. Yeah, this Lido. We'll be using compound feature, not yet. So using probably using one each. Uh, Balancer, yeah, I'm touching balancer too. Okay. So all the projects are categorized according to their market cap. This Venus, yes, I show you this Venus during the previous video. Now, all they have been categorized. Now, I will advise you pause this video and write this down. Okay, pause it and write this down. What do they mean? You see this buy swap, this is the name of the project. What you are going to do here is the call to action. Okay, and the coins you have to stake is BUSW for staking and USDT. The blockchain that is on is Binance Smart Chain. That means if you are buying this coin, this BSW, don't buy it on Ethereum chain, don't buy it on other chain, buy it on Binance Smart Chain. And the wallet you'll be using for this project is Trust Wallet. Muesliswap is Cardano. So what we are doing here is we are staking milk to earn. We're also doing yield farming. I'll be releasing yield farming details in the future. I'll be doing more videos in the future. And that's another reason why you should ensure you are in a contact so you get access to the group. So the coins you are staking is what? Milk. The blockchain is on Cardano. And Nami wallet is the wallet to use. Let me show you how it's used. This is Nami wallet. So Cardano also service Cardano Nano. I've shown you in the previous video the image. It works majorly on if you have a desktop or a laptop. Or you don't have a laptop, just download what's it called? Download the Tami wallet. I've shown you the image in the previous video. Make sure you watch it too. So this wallet is uh this is my Bona wallet for Nami. Okay. So what we're doing there, you are staking milk to in other coins. And the wallet is so if you have a system, if you have a laptop, I recommend Nami wallet. If you don't have any, I recommend Ethan wallet. Now the next step, you can pause this video and write it. The fourth one is Venus. This Venus you are seeing here, this Venus. You can see it. This Venus. The fourth one is Venus. What we are doing there, we are learning our crypto. So the coins you are using is BSC Tron. That is Tron on Binance Smart Chain, not Tron on the main TLC20 chain. Tron on Binance Smart Chain. You can also coins like Cardano, Matic. Make sure they are on Binance Smart Chain because the blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. And the wallet you'll be using is Trust Wallet and MetaMask. The next one is Dodo. In Dodo is an exchange, is even trading on Binance, yeah. So what we are doing there is we are providing liquidity to stable coins pair. And the blockchain is on smart chain. I'm going to do all these actions in the coming chapter. So I'm just trying to show you this so you can prepare. So you can see that you have various series of coins here. If you don't have all of them, try and buy them. Of course, try and buy them for the purpose of this to make money. And I can tell you that all of them are utility coins. You understand? Of course, I advise you to do your research, but all of them are utility coins, and they are coins that I personally bought with my own money. Yes. Crypto has all this. So I'll be telling you the risk in DeFi in the last chapter of this verse, but let's continue. So the next one is provide liquidity on Dodo. So you are using stable coin. So make sure you have USDC, BUSD, and USDT, BS in your wallet. So you can use Trust Wallet, you can use MetaMask. Now the next one is liquid staking Sophia. This wallet, Sophia. So Sophia is a Solana wallet. So try and get Solana from Binance and transfer it to a Sophia wallet. Please, if you are creating this wallet, make sure they'll be giving 12 phrase password. Make sure you save the 12 phrase password. Please, it is very, very important. It is very, very important. So here we are staking for what's it called? We are staking for validators. So this is just the practice wallet. This is just the practice wallet. So you can see this is the amount of. So I exchange my soul for this value, for this coin, and I exchange 0.04. I think it's 0.04. Now I have 0.046. Now the reason why it's small is because the unit of soul I use is small. And the purpose of this video, I'll be doing more of the assets. So you should know that the higher your investment, the higher your reward. Now the next one is Lido. You are delegating soul to a soul. You understand? So this software wallet will be needed to Lido. When we get to that point, I will show you. This software wallet will be needed too. And for Lido too, you can use Phantom. You don't have software, but I love software because the interface is good, and yes, the interface is good. I hope you can get it. So the next one is Alpaca Finance. What you are doing here is you are lending. So the assets that has higher, see all these assets here. When you get to all these projects, you will see different assets. But the asset that I listed there is the ones I'm using personally. So you are not limited to all these assets again. When you get there, if you see other assets that you have in your wallet, you can stake it. But only use this asset because they have high API. That is, they have good rewards. Okay. So Alpaca Finance is on Binance Smart Chain and you're using Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So make sure you have MetaMask and Trust Wallet. In fact, I love MetaMask a lot. So the next one is Tarot Finance. So I've shown you the Lido recently. I've shown you the Lido. And another thing is searching in crypto is very, very tiring, and that is why I put it upon myself to actually do this. So there will be more of informations, and that is why I intentionally put my phone number here so you don't miss out on coming information, right? Okay. So this is buy swap that I explained. The buy swap that I said just now. This number one. This is buy swap. I hope that you can see it. So others that I'm saying Tarot, Apaka Finance, they will be here too. Okay. So they are ranked on market cap. They are ranked on. Now this is the Apaka Finance I'm saying. This Apaka Finance. You can see it. You can see that they have tokens that have values. I'll show you how to earn these tokens. Okay. So every token you be any year, they are value tokens. They are value tokens. So it is of no use if you are any valueless crypto, no value crypto. Sorry for my English. Now, the next one is Tarot. What you are doing here is you are lending to them, and you are lending to them. So the coin you'll be using is Phantom. Of course, there will be other cryptos there, but Phantom has good rewards, and is on Phantom blockchain. The only wallet you'll be using is what MetaMask. So you are not limited to all this coin, I repeat. If you have any other coins that I don't listed, when you get to the project, you can always search for them. Now, the next one is Pancakeswap. Many people are just buying and selling for Pancakeswap. I've earned from Pancakeswap and I'm still earning from Pancakeswap. So stick to Cake and stick to any other tokens. So Cake, Binance Merchant, all you'll be getting is Trust Wallet and Meta. All be using the Trust Wallet and Meta. Now, Vesper, what you be doing in Vesper is you are lending your cryptos to them, and what the crypto you'll be lending is about AVAX. Your course, you also see other but AVAX is easy to get. You can get from Binance, Avalanche blockchain. Okay, I think it's Avalanche CC chain. Avalanche has two chain. It has the P chain and the CC chain. Okay, so why this one is good? We have another one, we pick. What you are doing here is you are lending, and you can lend your USD to them, you can lend other stable coins to NWPC token. Now, buy swap again. You see this buy swap, I love it a lot. Especially for Binance Smart Chain, is the in fact I use it a lot. I love using it. It has a lot of amazing features and the utility is so great. The tokenomics is so great. It's in everything about this project, this coin. And so in case you don't have any, you don't know coins to buy, these coins are good. And if you are among my students, I recommend coins for them to buy. So if you want me to recommend good coins for you, join my school. Okay. And okay, let's continue. So buy swap, what you're doing is in buy swap, another thing, another cool features is you trade to earn. Like you are trading and you are still making money. It is really, really good. So you can trade all altcoins, your cake, your ADA, everything you can. Oh, sorry. And you can stake it. Okay. Now we have our Apeswap. What you are doing is you are lending your cake to them. To be able to earn banana. Banana is their token. So you have baby swap. You are staking to. We have nested finance. It is an airdrop. And this project is a big one actually. It's a big one actually. Across is another big project. What you are doing is actually airdrop. So it's a cross crypto blockchain where you can trade from one blockchain to another and you can gain their airdrop coin. Another one is origami. You see this origami and borrow cash, they are both on near blockchain. So they are both on near blockchain. So that's so please ensure to follow my socials and try and say hi to me on WhatsApp so I can add you to the group where you because you will need some guidance also. You need some questions, you need some mentorship and that's why I'm here. Thank you. Till next time, stay blessed.